Record. Okay. Cool. Recording in progress. There we go. Thanks. All right, now we're live. Okay. Requesting recording locally. Lovepreet, I got a message from you. What's this all about?
This is just to like record the session.
Oh yeah,
So
no,
I
I'm
don't have
recording
to
it
down.
anyway. I'm recording it, so after it's done, I'll just email it out to y'all. I'll put it up on a
Okay.
cloud server, so it's so we don't have any issues with I don't know where, whatever. I'm not really familiar with recordings. So, anyways, this is what I'm familiar with doing. All right, so NVIDIA for a long off of PDC, ideally. Meta for a long off of around about VWAP. Tesla for an ORB, so wait a few minutes for a long there. So the opening trades will probably be either Tesla or Meta. Both of them look like scalps, as in they're not going to last very long. That's it. That's all I've got in mind. And if that works, then we're done in 10 minutes and go cycling or something. Go have some fun.
Hey, what is the target for Meta?
500.
500.
Yeah, there's a lot of interest over there, but also knowing Meta, it could just blow right through it really fast. So if it hits 500 and it stays there for a minute, I'll probably get out very quickly. But if it starts pushing through, I'll try and hold on to my position and then look at the order book and see what's building. Overall, it's really bullish, as in on the candlestick chart. And here's our resistance. We got a little bit above 500, 501, 502 area. I mean, if it breaks through all of this mess, it could be a really good runner. Because once it's out of this area, I mean, you're going further back in time, and now you're looking at 505, 510, you know. The most important areas, the most important levels are the most recent ones. And there it goes. Look, it already hit 500. Oh, okay. The whole thing might be invalid. We should be able to trade options pre-market. Would have had this trade been done in the last 5 minutes. All right. So look at that. It ate up those orders at 500. Let's see, but the open interest should, as in the orders should still stack up again. All right, so I'm not going to go long Meta unless I see the orders at 500 stack up again because it just got taken out. Oh, there it is. It's an iceberg. It's still there. It's stacked up already. Cool. NVIDIA, same thing. It's already moving. Crap. All right, just going to wait. There we go. Amazon now looks like it wants to run up to 177 like we were talking about. Yeah, there's interest. All right, I'm going to get ready with Amazon as well for a run to 177. Amazon call options. $177.5. That's the one with the big open interest. Ooh, this is interesting. Amazon suddenly got interesting a minute before the open. Check it out.
It looks like it's ready to pop through this order right there. There's some nice orders at 176.30, 176.40, and it's just holding right under there to
Nice.
probably pop through back down to 175 and then break out at that.
Exactly. I like this for a nice yeah, little drop to VWAP, basically. Pick up the VWAP and go. All right. Amazon has suddenly become the most interesting after NVIDIA and Meta already made the move.
So this would be, sorry, so this would be the 322 expiry option, 177.5 strike call for Amazon.
Yes, expiring this Friday, 177.5 strike. That's right. And when it opens, it's probably going to open at about $1.50, I'd say. And
Yeah.
I'd run it up to about 3, so you can double your money on that if it really runs to 177. All right, Amazon's my primary at the moment as we begin. So I'm going to keep a good eye on that. Let's find some good support on Amazon.
I mean, Amazon can squeeze out that big seller from 2 days ago. Oh man,
Opening price right
it
there.
could go.
Okay, if it's above opening price, oh crap. Look at that. Look how volatile this thing is. It's mad. Okay, I'm not going long unless it's above opening price, which is that black line right there. Look at that. It picked up there. It bounced off of yesterday's close. It's looking good. It's holding VWAP. Right? Shit, I want to go long. If I go long now, though, it's not a high conviction trade. Tesla as well. There goes Tesla. It's gonna squeeze any minute now. AMD squeezing. Nvidia's already on its way. Oh man, everything's going. Okay, that's it. I'm going long. There we go.
Amazon, right?
150 contracts. Amazon. All right, let's go. Come on.
I'm in.
Let's go. Let's go. 176.30. That's that liquidity. 176.30.
Volume.
176.50 is where I'll be looking to get out. If it wants to run, if it doesn't, I'll have to stop out quickly. Where is it? It's holding VWAP for now. It's still holding opening price. That's good. I might add more. There we go. Adding another 100 contracts there. All right, now I'm full size. It's a lot of risk. Let's see. Come on. Oh man, it just wants to sit there without going anywhere where everything else wants to go.
Yeah, it's just not getting the volume.
Yeah, it's dead.
The spies are running. Come on, if it can just get over this 35 order.
Yep, I see it. Just at 35, there is that resistance. It needs the market orders to come in, the market buyers. AMD is a good bounce off PDC right now. Tesla's squeezing up. I want to get in on Tesla too. Look at that. Tesla's going to be a really good squeeze, I think. But I can't. I'm tied up with Amazon right now. Oh, man. Let's go. Let's go. A big size. I can't sit like this for a while. That was a good candle. The 2nd-minute candle on Amazon. Look at that. It's very nicely held all the support stuff down here.
A
So
good buying weight.
still waiting on the tape for all the green orders to come in. That's the key. There you go. More. Look at that. It's bouncing off of the opening price. It's still holding. So it's still actually a good thing. But it's got to keep doing
Support
that.
on the book at 76 and 175.80.
Yes. Good. 176 and 170. Yeah, I can see it now, but it may not go. I mean, it's just sitting there. The what do you call the sellers are still holding it down. Anyways, let's see. Come on, let's go. See the options kept not going anywhere. So I'd start getting out at 176.50. I'd start scaling out unless it really stalls out. If it keeps stalling here, I'll get out sooner. There, see it's stalling out still. There we go. That's the pop. There we go. Start selling. Oops, I sold too much. Come on, get out of here. Whoa, these hotkeys are terrible. Oh crap, already at break even. I'm gonna have to get out of this position heavily. I'm already out about 80%. Oh no, look at that. I'm short by mistake. Okay, that's it. I'm out of that position because it just popped and got shot down. Yeah, made $900. All right, let's see what else is there. AMD is gonna squeeze, man. And I'm not ready for it. 183. Let's see if I can get an AMD option. Yeah. Where is it? 182. All right. I'm getting ready for AMD to squeeze.
There is no volume anywhere. It looks like afternoon trading right now.
Yeah, it's messy. I've taken it long on AMD. I got 100 contracts to go up to 183. I'm in at about 182.50. It's a 5-minute ORB breakout. Tesla's already done it. AMD's right behind it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, 183. And there's liquidity up there. Okay, let's go. I want to get in heavier. This is not really a big size, but I don't have conviction on it yet. I do have conviction on Tesla.
Eyes breaking down.
Ah, okay. That's breaking down. It's AMD. No, it's weak. Well, it's not weak, I'd say, but it doesn't have the aggressiveness.
Went long on Tesla.
Yeah, that's a good long. Tesla will be good. I'm out of it.
I like that wick that we're forming.
Nice.
170.
Nice. Tesla run up to 175. Like a good thing got out of
my first 174.75.
Nice.
I'm up.
Good job on that. Good thing got out of Amazon because look at that. It just crashed. Same thing with AMD. Got out of it. Everything's messy. I don't like it. The market's a mess today. I'm going to wait for Tesla to pull back and I'll go in with you, Nathan. 175 looks really good right there. Come on, Tesla. You can take the 175 option. If it holds 174, I'll use 174 as a support level. Right now, it's chopping around it. Then I'll go long the 175 contracts.
I mean, the order flow is so slow right now.
See all the white.
Usually it's just in through.
Yeah, it's all these white prints. There's too much white prints, basically. You don't have any market players. Oh, there's a pullback on Tesla. I might enter here. 173.50 is holding. Is it? If it holds there, I might go long. But it's coming down so fast. Still too many white prints. There you go. Look at that. Okay, this is a mess. Meta's crashed all the way down.
Yeah.
Did you get out of Tesla? Gotta stop. Nvidia's gonna be
It
short.
acted like a 50, but it didn't.
Right.
It can hold the open here, but there's no volume or anything anyway.
All right, check it out.
Looks like it, though.
Nvidia's gonna pull back to the yesterday's close, and then there's a possible short down through 890. I might get ready for that one. Where's that contract? I can't even see it. There we go, 890. Okay. If Nvidia pulls back to the closing price. Amazon's doing the same. Pull back. It's going to be a short now. Oh man, Amazon's going to really go down to 175. Shit. Oh man. All right. And Nvidia and Amazon are both setting up for shorts, but need a little patience before entering.
Still like the cues in this buy selling on.
Yeah, it's all a sell-off at the moment. That's right. I see it. But I'm thinking a short Amazon now. Below yesterday's close, and it's a cheap contract, it's 120. So, all right, I've got 150 contracts short Amazon. Stop loss would be above the yesterday's closing price, 177.88. So I'm really only looking for an 80-cent move. Let's see if it goes, and I've not got a lot of size on this. I should take it bigger, but let's wait. The big trade will be Nvidia, I'm sure. Once it really starts going down, it's going to really drop. But I wanted to pull back first. Man, that would have been a good short on Nvidia to take that. Anyone else short Amazon, or am I the only one here?
I am. I'm long puts.
Cool. Yeah, me too. Long puts. All right, I'm adding in. I got 250 contracts now, so now it's heavy. Cool. Let's see if this doesn't work. I don't know what else to do. We'll wait and see. Microsoft looks short as well. So does Google. Gosh, Apple's a fantastic short. Come on, Amazon. AMD is doing the same thing as Amazon. Possible short, but it's tricky. Come on. Amazon's looking more and more bearish. Yeah, looks very bearish. It's going to break out of this kind of opening range here. The support is at 175.65 or so. As soon as it breaks down from there, it's going to go really fast. At that point, I'll try and add in. Yeah, okay, just added in.
I went short Amazon, or sorry, Tesla at 172.80.
Ah, cool. Good, man.
Don't be mad at me. I tried to go long off VWAP, and I reversed when it broke the open.
Hey, it's all good. All right, Amazon, I'm also in really heavy now, basically full size. And where's the next target? 175 is the main target, but on the way, if it stalls, I got 175.20 as an area of interest. With Tesla, man, I don't know. Take it easy with that one.
Yeah, it's just ranging.
Yeah, I'd be careful with that. All right. That's a day of patience. It's not one of those smooth, easy days. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If this goes, I'll be done with my day. There we go. Fantastic. Let's go in the money. Yay, come on. Come on. What's the order book telling us? Yeah. The next serious liquidity on Amazon is really 175 or 175.10. So we still got another 30-40 cents to go before taking profits. So this will be a good move if it comes true the way it should. So it is at a funky kind of area right now, pre-market resistance or pre-market what we call support. I'd say that's temporary support. Come. There we go. That's better. Yeah.
Q's at PDC trying to hold.
Okay. Yeah. Amazon's really struggling right there. 175.50. Crap. The Qs are holding too, so that could be an indication. Shit. All right, I'm gonna start downsizing this because it's struggling. Can't keep holding this forever. Okay, there. There we go. Downsize the position. And Tesla's bearish, yo. Tesla is it's really
And I got stopped out at the open. So
oh well. Gosh. So there's just no clean price action today.
no. I mean, Amazon should have went at the open. It
Yeah.
just no volume.
Let me check it out. I'm gonna draw.
39.
The volume died, and there's no market participants today, man. Nobody wants to play. Look at that. That's the ORB line right there, that orange line. So I'm thinking as long as it holds below this orange line here on Amazon, it's gonna go down to 175. So there's an opportunity to add in if it continues doing what it's doing. This was support, now turned into resistance just now in the last few minutes. So that's the trade. Call that a 20-minute ORB or whatever you want to call it. You know, I keep looking at Meta. It's got my attention.
Holding PDC.
Yeah. Yeah. But it's still in a funky kind of area. Okay. Hey, look, now Tesla's bearish. Down to PDC. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, man.
It wakes me out. And there it goes.
Yeah, now it's bearish. I would be bearish on Tesla now. Below yesterday's opening price. Basically the opening range. It's breaking out. I might add back into my Amazon position if it continues doing what it's doing right now, basically rejecting the orange line. Where is it? Yeah, right there. There it goes. Go. Come on. Oh, no. I'm going to have to add into this. Sometimes it's scary to do so, but, you know, it's your trade book and you got to stick to your playbook, right? Oh, man. AMD is going for 180 short. And don't even think about Apple. It's a mess. Can't even talk about it. Okay, that's it. I'm back into full size on Amazon. And if it don't go, then, well, we'll see. There we go. Come on. Gosh, I want to add more. Check this out on Amazon. It's just going in ranges. Look at this. This was a area that broke out, not broke out from here. So you can just keep adding in, quite literally moving your stop. Amazing how that works. Go more. There we go. I got over 500 contracts. That's heavy. Let's go. 175. All right. This will be a good one.
Yeah, 175 is R3 intraday.
Fantastic.
That's a good.
And just look at how it's moving. It's just making ranges. You got this orange line here, there's another range, and a breakout. It's like reverse ABCD patterns. That's all it's doing. Move, consolidate, move, consolidate, move, consolidate. Once it hits 175, I'm going to probably sell 90% of this position and be done with it. Then we'll see what else the market wants to do. There you go. AMD hit 180. That was a nice short. Similar kind of action to Amazon. Very similar. But you're right, the volume is weak, as in it's dangerous because look, there was a lot of volume up front and then everything else is so minimal. It's not
Trying to
really,
build a real big order right there at 175, pretty thick for 175.10.
what are you talking about? Amazon? Yeah,
Yeah, it looks like it's stacking,
yeah. It's a big iceberg down there, isn't it? 175.
forming, yeah. Now it's forming, it actually looking good to reverse.
Hmm. Yeah, so there's a reversal opportunity at 175. If you look at the 30-minute, there's it's an area of interest from yesterday, intraday. That's kind of where it messed around a lot. So there's a reversal opportunity if you're inclined to take those kinds of trades. There's lots of liquidity to the upside on Amazon too. So, but there are no participants today. It's the messy thing. AMD is already in a place where it could reverse above 180, only above, never below. It's turning out to be a very long day, man. Shit. Look at
Yeah, the
this.
order flow is just, I mean, this is like stuff that happens in the afternoon, not in the morning.
Yeah, you're right about that. I should have stayed at the gym. I don't know why I came home. Just oh well. Another 20 cents. Don't make me sit here for 5 minutes for 20 cents. It doesn't make any sense. I don't want to do that.
They're trying to pick it up here. You can tell.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'll look at the P&L and maybe get out of this now. Where is it? Yeah, so it'll be like 5 grand if I get out now, which
Oh, maybe.
13 cents away from 175. It's gonna get there. Amazon,
yeah,
almost there.
almost. Okay, I'm getting out very quickly. I'm aggressive because of I'm using options. There you go. I'm stuck at break even now. I'm out 90% of my position. And if it hits 175, cool. Anyways, I'm done for the day. I've made just about 4.5 grand, so I'm happy. And okay, let's see.
I played small. I'm up like $398. That's pretty good for a first timer.
Yeah, awesome. Gotta love it.
Nice.
Gotta love it. Good job. Oh, there it goes. Now it's gonna go. After I get out, it wants
After we got out.
to. Oh well, 175. Okay. I'm gonna exit this position at 175, 175.10 now, 175.9. Yep, there's look at
There
that.
it goes.
If I had 20 seconds more patience, I would have made like two grand more. How stupid. It's like all right, done. I'm done for the day.
Hindsight is 2020. We couldn't have known. That was pretty good.
Yeah. Oh well. Hindsight, yep. That's the thing about the market. You never know what's going to happen. You just got to go with the probabilities. And the probability here at Amazon, it was holding just above 175. It could have gone, it may have gone, may not. And I'm in an options position. So I'm sensitive about time. Otherwise, it decays against me. And that's the part. All right. That made me sweat more than I'm used to, but that's it. Done. Who else is still in a position now?
I'm
Any-
still
Oh,
in the
I'm done for
position
the
of NVIDIA.
NVIDIA?
I'm short at, yeah,
Oh,
I was short
nice.
at 888 and it is going down.
Nice. Yeah, the short was rejection of PDC on NVIDIA. Remember we were talking about that? Oh, it happened. I talked about it, then I didn't look at it again. Cool, man. You got that. I'm telling you, that would have been a big trade. That's a 20K trade right there on NVIDIA. Look at that. It broke down PDC and retested PDC, entering in this area right here. Boom. It's probably going to hit 880.
Hey, Avi, what does PDC stand for?
Sorry, what?
What I think you're saying PDC. What does that stand for?
Oh, that's
Sorry.
Previously close.
previous day's close.
Previous day's close. Thank you.
Yeah. Just a mouthful, so
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Now what do we do? Screenshot, recap, all that stuff. Yeah, hold NVIDIA to 880, man. It looks good. Especially if you're not in options position, you can afford to hold it. Google made a good move too, but it wasn't clean. The Amazon move was not exactly clean. You got to just treat it as consolidation and breakouts. It was basically reverse ABCDs. I look at it now. There it goes. It picked up all those buyers at 175. Boom. Where's that reversal? Who are the reversal traders in the room? Come get it. Come get it. No, it's going up to VWAP and then maybe I don't know what's going to do after that. But 175 is such an obvious level. Oh my God. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go work on my patience. more meditation and stuff like that. Because this is such a great thing. I mean, 20 seconds.
You need to,
This is
Avi,
great.
you need to read that book, The Warrior Within by Bruce Lee. I can
Mm,
send
Oh,
you
it's so
another
good.
picture.
it's
It's
good.
It's a good book.
amazing.
Nice. Thanks. Yeah, I think you told me that before. I don't have it, but
Yeah,
uh,
it's like a short read too. It's not a long book.
nice.
You can probably read it in a day, day and a half.
Warrior Within. Let me see if they sell it here in Dubai on Amazon. Um,
It's almost as good as my book, Avi.
yeah, I gotta read your book. Yeah, about for the kids. It's awesome.
I'm just messing with you.
I want to get your book, but I didn't even look for it yet. But is it? Do you know if they'll have it on Amazon UAE, Amazon Dubai?
Oh, I don't know. It's on Amazon, but I don't know if it's on Amazon Dubai. I don't know.
Yeah. Let's see.
Wait.
I
No,
could
no, wait,
always,
wait. No,
I could
I
always
can
get
mail
it,
you
Avi,
a
and
copy.
ship it to you.
No,
Yeah.
no, actually, I can't. No, I want to mail it to you, a signed copy for your kids. I'm just like, I'm an idiot. Why didn't I think of that before? You need to like WhatsApp me your address, and I'm going to mail you a copy.
Awesome. Thank you. That would be awesome.
Of course.
Well, I'm
Of
gonna be in
course.
a couple of weeks, so that might be simpler and easier.
I try to
Oh,
buy your
awesome.
book as well here. My family is already very interested. My wife and my
Oh,
daughter.
thank you. Thanks,
I
guys.
have to buy it. What's the name of it?
It's Ada, like ADA, and the supercomputer.
Try it out.
Yeah, awesome. So I've actually had like a 42-year-old guy write to me saying like he couldn't go to sleep because he found it so good. So I'm not tooting my own horn, but it's not just for
Hey,
kids.
well, I'm 43,
Yeah.
so I hope it helps me
Oh,
too.
let me
I'm right in
know.
that age range.
That's awesome.
Nice.
And this was great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. It's kind of what we do every day.
Fantastic.
It was really great, Avi. Thank you. Thank you for
Uh,
taking me short notice. Super.
Thanks for coming. It's a pleasure. I mean, this is kind of the work day, and this was a long one. So thanks for hanging around for a long work day, which was what about a half hour.
Thanks a lot and congratulations on the good results, huh?
Yeah, the results work, and that's the thing. It's really down to your mental capital. Once you start pushing your comfort zone, for me, it's about 15, 20 minutes. Then you really got to stop and get out, even if you're in a loss, because you'll start making poor decisions. And that's the hard part, is walking away even when you're down.
How many winner days do you have normally in a month when you trade 20 days? Out of 20 days, how many winner days do you have?
Recently, like
Yeah.
this quarter, I think I have had maybe 3 losing days out of the 40 days I've traded,
Oh, really?
something like that. So I've had a good quarter. Recently, it's been a good run. But I mean, again, if you look at the trades here, for example, I like to look at it this way. Like it basically took 3 trades. This one was an accidental short. But 3 trades, I had 2 winners and 1 loser. This was the loser, and then the 2 winners, one on Amazon and the short on Amazon, long and short on Amazon. The AMD was loser. So 2 out of 3. So look at it trading wise, and then you got to look at asymmetric risk to reward. So your winners should outweigh your losers when you do it right. And it doesn't always work out ideally, but that's the concept. And then it
You
works.
should stop early enough when you have some good game, basically go out basically and
Well, that's also another tricky one. You don't want the PNL open on the screen when you're trading. If you looked at my screen when I was trading, my PNL was off to the side here. Like I'm just looking at this stuff, my positions and all. Only after I'm out of the trade, that's when I should be looking. Then I can, look at the PNL, just slide it into the screen and have a look. But that's the way you should do it, and it's hard. Sometimes I do kind of peek at it after 1 or 2 losers or winners. Which is not really smart because it influences your decisions in the trade.
Yeah, that's right.
So because
Totally.
it's very technical. You want to stay focused on the technical side of it rather than getting emotionally triggered by the P&L. That's what the P&L does for us. It triggers us to either get out of it too early or out too early or whatever. So
Avi, Amazon is looking bearish to me because it's not bouncing off of that 175 support, and it's been like 10 minutes. Do you agree with that or no?
I wouldn't say bearish because bearish means it's going to go down from here. But here's what I would just extrapolate this line here. This is possible resistance, 175.40, and then we have this area here where it was support previously, it broke out. It was supported, broke out. Now it's going to have to do the reverse going back up. So if it hits head up here, then you're looking for a breakout. And then let's just draw this line as well. Then the next level is here. And by the time it gets here, VWAP is about there too. So then it'll hit its head up there. And if it's a breakout, then you trade the breakout. Just like this was a breakdown candle, this was a breakdown candle. Same thing. As it gets up there, you want to watch it. So the precision is probably a little lower. Well, these candles tell you it's about 175.35 rather than 175.40. But again, to say it's bearish is a tough one because it means that'll break down from 175. Right now, there's nothing telling me it's going to break down. The same time, really telling me it's going to go up. So I'd say it's going sideways. So if you're an aggressive contract seller, you can sell call contracts and put contracts against this range and try to collect premium. But that's, risky business. I don't do it for a good reason.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
there you go. There, now it's
The
breaking.
175 level
it's
is
breaking
just
out.
Not really, not yet. The volume,
the 175 level was also a big buying area too.
yeah. So
From
sellers
the
will have
cams,
to,
per day cams.
on daily cams. Okay, so on a daily picture, on a bigger time frame.
On the intraday today, 175 is S3 for
Fair enough.
Amazon. Which just means there's a lot of algorithms that are programmed to buy in that area.
Mhm.
So you see and get a lot of buying when it starts to touch that area.
Mm.
So I can see on Bookmap now, they're trying to reverse this and push it up. There's
Yeah.
just not enough volume to really get it going, but there's a clear almost cup forming right now for a pickup. You can see it really good on the 5-minute. What's going on?
So the 5-minute chart, yeah, kind of going up. You know what's interesting? That's cool. You said that 175 a buying area. We were talking about it just before it came down. There's likely to be buying here for your reversal traders. It bounced on this candle, and on this candle, when it starts to go up, you could have taken an entry long here, stop loss right down there, and off you go. You already made profit now in about 5 minutes, and you're at break even, you're stress free on it. Now you're waiting for a breakout here. So I mean, this is for the reversal guys. I'm not very comfortable trading that way. I go kind of more momentum stuff. But this was a decent setup for a reversal trade, and it would have given you some partial profits, and it may stop you out if your break even is down here. So there was an opportunity there. And for the guys going short, the real target was here. Look at me, I was impatient, got out here, 10 cents or so before it really hit the target. But I mean, these targets are really precise. I mean, they're amazing. 175, as we were saying, it's a cam pivot. We saw orders on the level 2. We can see it yesterday's price action, where it was a really, a big area of interest, and the day before, an area of interest. And you can go further back as well. And also don't forget, it's a nice round number, 175. So that's a obvious one. And we also saw it on over here on the options chain, 175, plenty of open interest. So, there's like so many things telling us this is an area of interest. Either you're going to take a trade towards it, and that's a target, or a bounce off of it, or a breakout through it. It's an area of interest. You can really trade off of 175. So yeah, fantastic. It's amazing how simple it can be. Everything kind of points to one point, in space, and just use that. You don't really have to go make it too elaborate. That's kind of what I like about keeping it simple. So
thank you so much, Avi, and everybody in the call. It was very nice to be here, and I'd like to join again as I have a possibility. So that's great.
No worries. Thanks for coming, Michael. Yeah, we'll talk again soon. Read the books and stuff, and yeah, keep in touch. And
Yeah, I ordered the book, and by the way, Doris, I just ordered your book as well. So
thank you, appreciate it.
I couldn't get
I'll
to
talk to you.
Switzerland, so it will come to my German address, 4th of April. I will have it.
All right.
Okay, take care. Have a good day there, and everybody, nice to meet you. So see you again, hopefully. Bye-bye from Switzerland. Take care.
Bye, Michael.
Bye-bye. Avi, thank you so much. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, Michael.
Bye.
Hey, Avi, what book is Mike talking about? I think I might have missed your recommendations.
Yeah, you know what? I'll forward you the WhatsApp.
Okay.
To 3 books basically that I strongly recommend.
By the way, can you look at Apple really fast? Because to me, so I've never done this before. I'm totally a noob, but it looks bearish. And can you comment on whether that's the case or not? I know you said don't even look at Apple, but I'm looking at it.
Well, how about Nathan first? How does it look on the order book? Does it look bearish or bullish?
I don't have Apple up on Bookmap,
You know,
but it's trying to reverse. It's still just holding just above the open.
yeah. Listen,
Some good buying volume, so it does look bearish.
well,
Or I'm sorry, bullish.
bullish, yeah.
But it's
Apple,
got a lot of wicks. It's got a lot of wicks to try to work through on the 60.
it's a
But a
mess.
target
It
would be about 176.60
Yeah.
if it's there.
Apple just looks like a mess to me. It's so
Yeah.
impossible.
Yes.
It was messy at the open, very indecisive. It had a pop down, not even a trend or nothing. It just popped and made its way back up through VWAP and to the opening price. But the thing is, can you rely on opening price today on this action? Well, I don't think you can, because at first, what did it do with the opening price? It just messed around with it. And now look what it's doing again. It's messing around with it. You could try to go long and short and get stopped out 3 or 4 times in this area. So in this case, today on Apple, the opening price is not a reliable indicator. It's one of my favorite indicators, but you got to make sure that it's being respected before you use it. And today, Apple, I can't sell. Where it is now, I'd say don't touch it. And where the market is now, I don't know. I just feel like everything's kind of messy. And so it's a good day for selling options and doing those kinds of strategies, probably. Except maybe on Microsoft. That's the only thing that looks like it may go up. Other than that, I don't really see any. I'm not able to pick a direction. Also, okay, I'm out of my element here. We're beyond the first 15, 20 minutes. I don't have a edge in reading the market in this phase. The opening momentum and stuff has finished.
That's a great comment. Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't really have any opening momentum today at all.
Yeah, right. We didn't. It was choppy, messy, and you just kind of wait for ORBs. I was really looking forward to Tesla, man. It really would have given us a good ORB going up. But yeah, you tried that one, and oh well, that one didn't work.
It had a nice pop off VWAP too, but no RBL. So it just they just dumped the shares and it just dropped, right? It was trying to hold the open once it lost, so they just dumped the shares in.
Was there any news on Tesla? The thing gapped up mildly.
Well, it was on the watch list, the morning watch list.
Yeah.
For a BBC, but I didn't hear any news.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Tesla is great when you
But
get
Doris,
into goes,
I will
Yeah.
say, if you're wanting to just watch a stock and just get an idea of what price action looks like and
Yes, please.
how the movement of the candles, Apple is a great stock to do that because it doesn't have a very long trading range. It only trades about a $3 range every day. And it just doesn't move. Like if you watch Tesla, you'll just be like, what is happening? But Apple moves slow enough that you can start to look just and see how price action is and how it reacts. So it's a great stock for that.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's a good
Yeah,
point.
you start looking at NVIDIA and then getting into the level 2 stuff. You're like, I can't keep track of these numbers. They're all over the place.
No, that's a good point, man. Really good point. Yeah. You learn a lot by watching something like Apple. And where NVIDIA
Yeah, and just not get overwhelmed with like you do with Tesla and some other stocks.
Well, this thing, if it don't break out here, it's likely to sit here for a while in this area. Probably until VWAP catches up to it, which will be 3 hours later, and then drop. Possibly.
With
That's like
SPY's picking up and trying to reverse.
it is.
Qs are just chopping.
Bobby,
Look at the RBL.
do you only do the open or do you do the close as well?
I just trade the open. Just these first 15, 20 minutes. That's about it for me.
Okay.
I mean, everybody has their own style, right? There's lots of people who trade right through the day and overnight and all kinds of styles. So you gotta figure out where you are, how you like to do it.
I like this. I like having some sort of end to what I do as opposed to carrying on the stress like throughout the day.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's very like personality based. So I always like to say your trading style should be a reflection of your personality. So if your personality is that you get too stressed out if you have to sit and watch it for hours, then your trading style should be a short one, a short way of trading, as in short time frame. If you have that more patient mindset and you prefer to be very analytical for hours and hours, then that's kind of where you're in your a bit of a comfort zone. Then you should figure out a trading style that aligns with that kind of that pace of working. So, and there's people who do that. So you gotta figure out.
Hey, I think I gotta go. It's already
All right, no worries. Yeah, thanks for
5
joining.
minutes above 7.
Thanks.
So yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Cool, man. Cool. I'll talk to you soon, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Talk to you soon.
So, yeah.
See you.
I know, Avi, if I would have just held on to that Tesla for a little, you see, I got wicked out right into the opening. So that would have been
You were in that short position right below the opening price, right?
I went in right at the top of yesterday's high, and
Okay.
it just went into.
Yeah. And then it made a pop down there. Yeah, Tesla. And remember, I was telling you with Tesla, just gotta pay attention to the wicks, because if it gets wicky like this, then it's gonna stay wicky, basically. But if what is interesting with Tesla, what I like to do is this area where if it's starting to show a lot of buying wicks down here, and you get an entry going long for this kind of ORB, you get a really good continuation a lot of times. This is the kind of trade I like to take on Tesla. This is the opening range, basically 3 minutes. It closes above the opening price after finding plenty of buyers down here. You enter up in this area, stop loss right below the opening price, and off you go. You're getting 5-1. A lot of days
Yeah,
that
if it would have ran.
Yeah, it would. And you know what's cool? Look at this doji right here. Complete indecision.
Yeah, I didn't like.
With increased volume. Volume meaning if this volume was this much for this candle, proportionally, this is a lot smaller candle. It should have been tiny volume, but it wasn't. It's a lot of volume all in one place. It didn't move. Massive indecision after a move up. If I'm long here, I'm getting out 90% of my position here, or at the end of this candle, which would be right here. And then, the rest is break even. So you can look at volume and at price action. But a lot of times, again, Tesla would be such a good run, man. I was telling you at the open, right? I was excited for this thing to run from this pre-market area. But, oh well. Now what's it going? Well, look at that. It's bouncing off yesterday's close. But, there's no direction. I don't see direction right now. I bet a lot of people lost a lot of money trying to enter in this area or in this area, or even right now, today. Because this is it's one of the more complex days to trade, I'd say. Cool. And any positions anymore, guys, or all done?
All done.
All done.
Cool.
0 for 4 today.
What'd you get?
It says 0 for 4 today. After 3 for 4 days. I'm 0 for 4 today.
Oh, well. So, law of averages always adds up. So check it out at the end of the quarter and see how it is.
I know the month's already really good, so.
Nice. Cool, man. Cool. Nice.
All right.
All right. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Avi. Well, let me know if you do this again. This is awesome.
Sure. Yeah, it's a pleasure. Yeah, Nathan and I were just talking about we'll do it today, and then figured a few other people had asked me about it in the past. So, just come on together.
Awesome. Thank you. All right. I'll see you guys. Bye.
Okay, Doris. Bye.